folks. Thank you for joining me for the Harrison Repair Show. I'm Brian Harrison. Actually, I just called Harrison Repairs. Um, and yeah, I just want to leave a friendly reminder. Don't please forget to comment, subscribe, and leave a like on the video. And if you're on Rumble, follow me there. Um, I upload videos there too. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook. And links and descriptions are in the home pages of both YouTube and Rumble. Um, I want to say that I hope you enjoy the show, whether we're repairing something, whether we're showing tools that you can buy, simple, maybe even simple tools, tools to help you with a repair. But I hope you enjoy today's video. So please sit back and let's begin the show. Hello, folks. Another tool here. Part of a tool I think is great for an emergencies, but also great for a kit. And if you know me by now, and you've seen some of my videos, you'll see that I'm a person that advocates for having at least some basic tools that will help you do basic repairs. Or let's say you're building a new furniture piece because you got it from IKEA or Walmart. You're able to, or at least especially from Walmart, you're able to have the tools that they don't provide you'll need. And some of these will say you need a screwdriver, you need a hammer, whatever. And so it's nice to have a kit for that type of repair. Okay, unless you have a good person that's willing to build furniture any time of day or night for you. We don't have that, so I have tools and I enjoy doing it. Okay, so it has a light. There you go, so you can see when you're doing stuff. That's what's cool, and that's what this flashlight symbol is here. I like that. The other thing I like about this type of multi-tool, well, I'm going to call it a multi-tool because it's a multi-screwdriver, I guess that's what I'm going to call it. Here, hold on. Okay, a multi-screwdriver is the fact that it has all these little bits. Now, these aren't all the bits, I know. Like, there's only two sizes. There's a large and a small. But I usually use the small one because there's a pot that I used to fix the handle, so I always use this one. That we'd grab this one. It was a quick fix. This is all we needed. This we actually have in our drawer. This is not even in my toolbox. This is in a drawer. It's one tool that we store in a drawer for the kitchen. At times that it's easy just to grab it and tighten something. Most of the time you need this. If there is something I need, I have another screwdriving set that has all like tons of different bits that for hand screwdriving or for using, and it was originally an electronic thing, but I do use it for just fixing stuff at work, for just screwing stuff in. So especially if you need a special there's a special screw and you need a special head. But for just this is great for just easy quick fixes. We have it in a drawer, we pull it out. We haven't used it lately, but we have used it one time because there's a pot the handle would get loose. All we do is tighten it up and it would be fine for quite a while, and then we repeat the process again. We haven't used that pot for a long time. We use it very seldom anymore because we got a couple newer pots that my one was really proud of, and so we use those most of the time. So, and it's a big pot we had. So anyway, yeah, I always say you should have this one's Hyper Tough. I may put that on the description. If you read the description, I'll put that there. But it's just nice to have some tools, and don't be afraid to go and look at Walmart or a hardware store, even Harbor Freight, stuff like that. Look for, especially if you can find a kit. Like, look for stuff like this, look for a kit, see what the kit, I would look at a kit, see what the toolkit has, and then add. If it doesn't have something like this and you feel like something like this would be good, I feel like something like this is good for quick. I have quite a few screwdrivers, to be honest, but sometimes I even have a screwdriver that they're individual. They don't have where you can take out the heads and put, I like these better. but I have screwdrivers where they're actual screwdrivers, you know, like the bits are permanently on there. Yeah. Anyway, but I like these ones better, because I could just switch them out. If I use a solid screwdriver that doesn't have this bit, it's because I'm trying to do something and somehow the bit may come out. This one doesn't. It's hard to get. It is a little hard to get them out, but you can. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this. I'll leave with some closing thoughts. It's just nice to have a multi-tool screwdriver in your little, even if you have a little or big one, home repair kit. I encourage everyone to get one because it's nice. Even if you live in an apartment, it's nice to have this stuff already, so you can either build. Well, let's say you build furniture. You may not do it all the time, but you have it. Let's say you're just maybe tightening up something that's loose, and you can do it. You don't need to call someone in. All you just need to do is grab it, screw and make the handle tighter. We've done it before. Then all is well. It's easy fixes. So whether you own a home or not, even if you own a home, I really do think you should have a repair kit. But even if you don't, you should have at least a basic one and a way to try to fix stuff yourself. Anyway, I'll leave with some closing thoughts, and I'll see you guys next time. I want to thank you for joining us for the Harrison Repair. I guess we call it Harrison Repair Show, but it's actually Harrison Repairs. I hope you enjoyed what we showed you today on video. And when we do these things, we take a camera and go and show you. We're not talking about it on a green screen all the time. So I want to thank you for whatever. If we showed you a repair or tool, thank you so much. But please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and leave a like on our videos. And it helps us out a lot. And don't forget to follow us on Rumble and on Facebook. And yeah, I just want to thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a nice day. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.